Good morning, to my lovely children. You ought to know that today each and everyone is busy in completing work, but you ought to know that to complete work, physical fitness and mental concentration is very essential. And make it this we are to do yoga. Yoga means to make body mighty by doing exercises as well as have mental concentration. In lack of good health, you can do nothing. So I am going to tell you benefits of yoga. First of all, you ought to know that today problem of the pus coming out from the ear as well as the deafness. So I want to tell you that is called zero face, that is Sunya Mudra. To do this, first and foremost, with right hand and the middle finger must be pressed by the thumb and rest three fingers must be put straight. By doing so, you can remove the ear pain as well as can remove also deafness. मतलब सब आप दाहिने हाथ की मिर्च की उंगली को अंगूठे से दबा करके 3 उंगली सीधी रखेंगे। कुछ देर करने के बाद आपको इस तरह करते रहेंगे पर डे, तो आपकी आपके कान का जो कभी पस निकलता है वो बंद हो जाएगा और बहरापन दूर हो जाएगा। इसे कहते हैं शून्य मुद्रा। नेक्स्ट इज ऑफ सन, दैट इज सूर्य मुद्रा। इसमें जो है क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले छोटी उंगली के पास जो उंगली होती है उसे जो अंगूठे से प्रेस करते हैं और बाकी जो है सारी उंगलियों को सीधा रखते हैं। ऐसा करने से आपका जो एक्सेस फैट होती है वह रिमूव हो जाती है और बॉडी जो है बिल्कुल हेल्दी रहती है। इस क्लियर। नेक्स्ट इज ज्ञान मुद्रा। अंगूठे के पास जो उंगली होती है उससे जो है अंगूठे से दबा कर बाकी 3 उंगली सीधा रखते हैं। ऐसा करने से क्या होता है कि आपका जो कभी कभी आपको स्लीपलेसनेस यानी अनिद्रा की फीलिंग होती है वो दूर हो जाती है, और या आपकी जो मेमोरी कमजोरी हो जाती है, आपके कभी कभी नेचर में एंगर क्रोध हो जाता है वो भी दूर हो जाता है। इसे करने से बहुत लाभ मिलता है। इस मुद्रा करने से आपका मेडिटेशन भी होता है, ध्यान की भी स्थिति बनती है। तो आप पर डे इसको करते रहेंगे, इससे आपका बहुत लाभ मिलेगा। आगे आपको मैं बता रहा हूँ, देखिए, इन द प्रेजेंट डेज यू आर टू नो दैट mostly students utilize spectacles to remove the problem of eyelight. So do eye yoga like this. With both hands, the eyebrow part must be pressed lightly, and doing so, go back part of the head, and now pushing it, go down of the neck. 2 many times this. By doing so, you can enhance your eyelight as well as remove the headache. And in future, you can never feel problem of migration. By doing this 2 to 3 or 5 minutes per day, it's called eye yoga. Next is, today I am going to tell other kinds of asana, just like first is of Padmasana, that is लोटस पोज। इसको करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, हम दोनों इस तरह से कर लेते हैं, एक दूसरे से आकर के ऐसे करके और आँख को बंद कर लेते हैं। बाय डूइंग सो यू कैन हैव द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ कीपिंग मेंटल कंसंट्रेशन। यू कैन डू दिस फॉर 2 to 3 or 5 minutes. Because you want to know that to do anything, to do any work successfully, mental concentration is very essential. And by doing this yoga, you can have this very easily. इसके करने से आपको जो है क्या होता है लाभ, this remove the problem of digestion. Next, it also takes out the excess fat from the body. And the most important benefit of this is that by doing so, the presence of oxygen in body can purify the blood. And you have to know that purified blood also circulates in the veins very smoothly. And by doing so, you can never feel the problem of sciatica or any kind of pain. And knees and ankles are also becomes mighty. By doing this asana, you can remove the problem of asthma or other problems. Now see other. That is Vajrasana. See, like this. Take both legs back and put both hands on thigh and take breathing up and down. This is called Vajrasana. By doing so, you can make your body mighty, as well as you can never feel problem of knee pain, thigh pain, waist ache, and heel pain also. This is called Vajrasana. Next is now see. Today you know that this is a problem of height, and by this way, this is which is called palm tree pose, जिसे हम कहते हैं ताड़ासन. You can do this. You have to stand both hands going up and on the base of hips, 5 toes of both legs. Do for some minutes. Take breath up, then down, like this. See what I do. By doing so, you can enhance your height, which is very problem today. Among girls and boys, the problem of height is very common. So you are required to do per day this palm tree pose, Talasana. Next is tree pose करते हैं. On one eye you can put the other heel part of the leg and both hands join and do up. This is called Vrikshasana या ट्री पोज से करें. इसका करने से by doing so you can make your leg mighty and you can also remove your fat and you can never feel problem of knee pain. You can do this by both legs. Next is बाउंड एंगल पोज से करते हैं. See, like this. Mix both legs, sole part, catch with both hands and make it move. This is called bound angle pose. इसका करने से आपका जो मैक्सिमम यू सी दैट पीपल फील प्रॉब्लम ऑफ नी पेन. दिस कैन बी रिमूव्ड बाय डूइंग सो. नेक्स्ट आसन इज धनुरासन. इसे वो पोज करते हैं. सी मी हाउ आई डू. Lie on the floor and with the stomach side and catch both legs with both hands and do up. By doing so, first and first you can remove the problem of excess fat and digestion system can be also removed. Means you can never feel constipation. Next is high log pose. Sit like this, bind your hands, take this up and by doing so you can never feel problem of lungs. Means by doing so, legs will be healthy. And both intestines, small and big, will be also active for the making digestion of the taken food. I mean to say that you are required to do all these kinds of asanas, what I am going to tell you per day. Because by doing so, physical fitness can be achieved and this will be very, very much today. Lack of good health, you can never be a good student. You have to know that a good mind is good health. A good mind can find good health. Good mind, good find. अगर आप अच्छा स्वास्थ्य रखते हैं, अगर मस्तिष्क सही है तो आप अच्छे ज्ञान प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. So physical fitness is must. Now see, हलासन, फ्लो पोज. ये कैसे करते हैं इसको? Lay on the ground as I do. Slowly, breathe out and take both legs to the back. Slowly. Then take both the slowly forward. You can do many times this. This is called halasana. What is benefit of this asana? By doing this asana, body can be made flexible and you can never feel problem of elbow problem, knee problem and wrist problem and back itch. This also prevents the problem of constipation and enhances digestion system. By doing so, you can also minimize the problem of high blood pressure. And it is also helpful in the muscles of stomach. So you are required to do halasana per day. Next is सर्वांगासन. से कहते हैं लास्टिंग ऑफ द शोल्डर. This word is taken from Sanskrit sarvang, which means all limbs, all parts of body. That is, by doing this asana, this is beneficial for whole part of body. By doing so, all the muscles are pulled, they become mighty, active, and concentrated. Means by doing so, you can do the exercise of all parts of body. See how can I do. Lay on the ground. Take both legs up slowly, slowly. Put both hands on both hip part. See how I can do. What is the benefit of this asana? First and foremost, first benefit is this ideal and power increasing asana increases new energy in the body. Second, by doing so, heel pain and leg pain can be removed. This also manages lung, intestine and indigestion system. It also removes problem of thyroid. It also removes problem of uterus. And besides this is very helpful and beneficial for the mental work doing employees. This is also enhances blood circulation, breathing system, digestion system and uterine system. This also removes the problem of production parts and also makes mighty ear and nose and controls the problem of bladder, etc. Now at last I want to tell you the asana of exhale inhale, that is Anulom Vilom. See how I can do. With the help of left hand, put the left hand the right part of the nose and right hand put the last lung into with thumb and take breathing out. You can do this with both hands. My dear children, you are to keep encouraging into your mind that in lack of good health, good things cannot achieve. So first and first you have to have good health. And good health can be achieved by doing per day exercise, that is yoga. योगा से शरीर निरोग होता है. योगा से शरीर निरोग होता है, अच्छे स्वास्थ्य का शरीर से संयोग होता है. जब शरीर स्वस्थ रहता है अच्छा काम होता है और फिर शरीर को आराम होता है. इस दुनिया में नाम होता है और आपका हर जगह नाम सरेआम होता है. इसलिए आप लोगों से मेरा ये जो है सजेशन है कि आप पर डे जो है शरीर को स्वस्थ रखने के लिए ज़्यादा नहीं तो कम से कम आधे घंटे का समय निकालिए, बड़े योगा करिए, शरीर को स्वस्थ रखिए. By yoga, make your body mighty, mental whiteness, respect to teachers and respect to parents and love your other little family members. With these words, I am going to stop my speaking. I hope that you will follow this. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Sanjay.